Hello everybody, this is Peter. It's Sunday the 16th of August. Sorry, I forgot to mention the date in my previous video made moments ago. I'm in the HS2 site at Wendover and it's a Sunday, so people aren't working. So we all need a break every now and then. And I'm getting nearer now to the scene of most of the action. As you can see, the crane has its chains raised out of the way, presumably to stop anybody clambering on it. Not that there's much point about that. There's a very serious sign here: danger, deep excavations. That sounds wonderful. I wonder if the time team used to put signs up about that, but maybe they weren't so deep. But anyway, this is the famous Bailey Bridge I'm about to walk onto, and look at this. This is sensational news. Roger has moved. He has awoken from his sleep and he has moved towards London, probably quite a few times since I was here last, which was the 31st of July, I think, so that's 2 or 3 weeks. But this is my first ever close-up of Roger, who is the equivalent of Dominique in the Colne Valley Viaduct. This machine lays walls and roofs and side bits and panels, sections and modules, all those sort of words, to build the tunnel, so-called green tunnel, because it'll be underneath a lot of greenery. So here is a good chance to have a look at it. I did ask Steve how many wheels it's got. Now you can see at the bottom there 8 wheels in a line, but they are double wheels and there's another lot the other side. So those of you who are of an arithmetic bent will be able to calculate that 32 wheels transport Roger about from place to place. Nestling next to it in a kind of almost subservient attitude is the green cherry picker. And there's another green cherry, and another one. My cup runneth over. I thought there was just one green cherry picker. You know, you don't see one for ages and then suddenly 3 come along at once. There's a vertical panel over there, the only panel in sight here. So I assume Roger has been doing a lot of work, and you can see it through the bars on the tunnel on the London side of the Bailey Bridge. And that part of the tunnel has progressed fantastically quickly towards Birmingham. In fact, where I walk now, I am walking over the top of it. So it looks like, for now, well, the next thing to do will be to get a few more of these bridge sections, modules here, hoping that the country doesn't tilt because of moving the weight from the north to the south. Here's a close-up of the roof of the tunnel. Quite interesting. And you can see the little sort of bits that the crane laps onto. And this is a better view. This here is the very end of the London end of the tunnel, and next to it is its brother sister tunnel. This one on the left, or in the centre of the picture now, will be heading south. The trains on that one will be heading north, but not just yet. Here's a view of what it'll look like. So there's only a gap of only 200 yards. Very good view of the crane. I haven't given the crane a name. Some wag, if I can call her that, in the comments thought I perhaps could call the crane Derek, which I quite like. So Derek is resting, ready to start lifting modules in place, possibly off lorries which have come down that path there, all the way from Derbyshire. Thanks a lot for watching. It's Peter. It's Sunday the 16th of August. Cheers.